Alright, let me just... Is that far enough? Is he gonna pull in here with us? Yeah, dude, he's waiting. He's waiting on us. I'm just gonna go.
Come on, John. Not to lose your trailer in the
how
water,
long
bud.
I am?
I know how wide you are.
That too.
Oh, whoops. I don't mean to honk at you, I just get a little bit excited. He doesn't say anything back. I just remembered that you can put your differentials on. Oh, yeah. I'm not going to, but yeah.
I'm not going to, but yeah. You need me to push?
I just need to find a gear. Oh, found one.
You're like, I don't know.
Dude, he's so far ahead, he's already at the building.
Oh no. I'm trying to catch him. He might be a professional trucker, but I have a lot of racing games in my belt. So.
Noom noom.
I'm not gonna lie, I do not want to try and back this trailer up in front of him. Actually, you should try not sucking.
Get good.
Dang, Josh, you gonna back that thing in there?
Shut the fuck up! Shit, I'll give it a go.
He's not even saying anything. Dude, he's probably laughing at that. He's gonna start yelling at me here in a sec. Are you stuck back there?
You're stuck back there? You stuck back there?
I knew it. Stuck in farm last night.
No.
No, I didn't bottom out. Oh, hey, there's a ship over there. That's cool.
Or
I
take any
didn't bottom
damage
out.
from like terrain.
I just hit a rock. I just ran into
Well, there's that. It's in a
one of
hole.
the stalagmites or stalactites, whatever's on the ground. I don't know.
I sure hope it's the one that's on the ground. Just cause.
Where are we going?
We're following you.
Oh,
Although
okay.
I'm not sure that's a good idea, but
That's a decision.
So you following me?
because I think you got lost the
We
last
can go
time.
left up here, maybe?
Oh yeah, you can cruise through here in these trucks.
Oh, yeah, cruise.
Yup.
That didn't
As
sound
you
good.
slam on your brakes.
These big ass trees.
Am I gonna
I
hit
think they're
this
just
thing?
regular trees. They don't look like ash trees.
Oh, ash
Yeah,
trees.
you've never heard of asswood before?
Find a new route.
I have no clue where I'm going. I'm just driving.
Well, looks like you're going the right way.
Yep.
Hold on, let me hit this wall real quick.
You're doing better than you did last time.
I sure wish I could go.
Oh no, ain't no way.
Are you stuck?
Oh, what the hell?
He's
Oh,
stuck.
he went the wrong way.
I went this way
Okay,
the
good.
one time and it worked out pretty well.
Are you
I
unstuck?
don't think it's working for you right now.
I also agree that it's not working for me.
Did you get unstuck?
Negative.
Oh,
You can't go backwards either?
I think I'm completely. I
He's high-centered.
I can't go backwards.
He's high-centered.
whoopsies.
Oh wait, nope, I got
Oh,
it. I got her.
Oh, did you? I was going to drop my trailer and go back there.
Oh.
I see headlights just flying everywhere. Are you all right back there, Josh?
Isn't no bumpy?
Yeah, I'm good.
He's figuring it out.
I guess that works better going one way than it does the other.
Dude, after driving this route, your air suspension would be shot.
Oh.
Again, Josh's headlights are flying all over the place.
So unpitched.
Accompanied with those noises,
Yeah,
I
I
think
need
it
it.
is a bad
Yeah,
situation.
right.
On pitch.
There is a pool.
Oh, shit. There's a trailer.
Oh, that was a trailer.
Oh,
Dominoes. Full steam ahead. Ramp the drawbridge.
wham.
We could have if we didn't have to come to a complete stop.
Right?
Okay, I learned from the last time that I want to go around this other side, because then I don't have to back in with my blind spot. I'm not too good with that.
First try. Okay, I'm hitting the hole.
Holy shit. Jesus, Jonathan, where you at? You hit more than the pole. You're all completely off the road. What the hell? That looks bad. Are you sliding down the hill now?
Yeah.
Oh, shit!
Oh.
I barely made that bridge.
Jonathan's going to hit that bridge. What'd you find? A shortcut? Can you go on down?
Maybe.